Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 best toggles from Dress and Press new Halloween update on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined Dress and Press game, and then I'm going to show you the first toggle. So the first toggles come from this fishnet. Okay, I'm going to click on this fishnet and then let's go to the toggles menu. Okay, and as you can see guys that there is new toggle 6. Okay, and then it has pearls. Now let me change the color and it will be like this. Okay, and yeah, that's so cool, and you can add the color that you like. Okay, like this. And then the second toggles is from this one. Okay, this metal top, this one guys, and you can select the toggle, and this is my favorite top, and you can activate the metal or remove it. Okay, this one looks cool as well, and okay, this is definitely my favorite. And then the third one guys is the leather jacket. I'm going to tap on that, and wait, let me remove my metal my metal top. Okay, and for this leather jacket, okay, there will be 4 toggles: default, hold, and then low, okay, and folded. And yeah, that's so cool, and this is my favorite, folded. And okay guys, that's all the best toggles from the Dress and Press Halloween update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.